What's up, ladies and gents? Brian Sight Facts welcomes you back to the 5th installment of our eye-opening facts series. So, without further ado, let us begin. What causes red eye in photos? When a camera flashes, the reflection of light off blood vessels in a person's retina can cause the terrifying red eye appearance. Those with light-colored eyes are more likely to be affected by red eye. To avoid it, turn off the flash or have the subject avoid gazing directly at the camera. Your eye is the fastest reacting muscle in your body. It takes less than 1/10 of a second to contract. The eye muscles collaborate to produce 7 comparable movements that allow you to monitor moving objects. Eye scans provide the greatest level of protection. While it may sound like science fiction, Wells Fargo and other financial institutions are already utilizing eye scans and other biometric indicators like voice and facial recognition to improve security for multi-million-dollar account users. While fingerprint recognition is already ubiquitous on many devices with 40 distinct properties. All infants are colorblind at birth. Many new parents have asked themselves, what do newborns see? According to the nonprofit Discovery Eye Foundation, newborns develop color vision by 6 months of age, with the exception of 1 out of every 12 males and 1 out of every 255 females who are colorblind. Color blindness is the most prevalent kind of blindness. The eyes of 27 sharks are the most similar to ours. According to the American Museum of Natural History, shark corneas are sufficiently close to human corneas that they have been utilized in human corneal transplant surgery. The notion that carrots are helpful for your eyesight was most likely propagated during World War II. Whether you believe it or not, this is, mostly, a myth perpetuated by the British government during World War II. According to Smithsonian Magazine, the Royal Air Force, RAF, used secret radar technology at night to track down German bombers.